Welcome to Government Polytechnic Turvekere. This is the entrance point of the Government Polytechnic. So, from this location is the point where it is going to connect our college to the main road. So here is our Polytechnic board and the location of our location, longitude, latitude of the location where we are standing now. Road facility at the entrance of our college, so where the connectivity to our college. So it is the road facility, motorized road facility. From the main road, approximately 200 meters away from the building. So we are going on that way. So I will pause. Approximately 200 to 300 meters from the main entrance road. We are going on the way. Front straight, okay, straight. There are two main buildings of our college. So here it is the main building where the administration block as well as all department head HODs and classrooms are there. And another one building is the workshop. So we have the facility like planting a tree. These are the plantation we have done for the green campus. With respect to the coverage of electrical line, there is no grid to our college. You can view even in the Google map also. Here we have the facility to electrical thing. So it is around 250 kVA, 250 kVA capacity. So we have the separate 250 kVA facility for our college. Vehicle parking places. So vehicle we can park it at the college front. For our building we have the rainwater harvesting. So here is the tank. After purification, the water, it is going to collect the water from the main building and it will be get dropped into the septic tank. And also from the workshop also we have the facility to harvest the rainwater and it will be come to the tank. So even at the behind the building we have the facility of septic tank. It is used for the sewage disposable system. So now I am at the entrance of our institution. So it is a flagpole and so this is the entry. So here we have the facility like barrier free environment for the handicapped students and faculties or staffs. So now at this entry, so the longitude and latitude of our institution location, it will be like this. Okay, so now I am entering to the institution. So at the entrance, the gatekeeper or a watchman is there. We have the facility for the COVID to scan at the entry level. So this is the at the entrance. We have the slogan to respect for the thing. We have the camera facility and the facility of the display of the information about the course strength. There are 4 courses: computer science, civil engineering, electronics and communication, mechanical. Each intake capacity of 60 students. So we have the facility for thermal scanning and sanitizer at the entry level. So here, so I am entering into the institution. We have the display of information about our mission and vision of our college. Vision of the college, and we have some signboards also. So with respect to the student information regarding the the anti-ragging information. We have the notice board at both the walls of the entrance. So here and there entrance. We also have the facility like fire safety equipments which are installed at the various places of our college. So now we are entering into the main building block. First I will move towards the principal chamber. Now we are entering to the principal chamber. So here is the entrance, and sir, show me the longitude and latitude of this. So here is the principal chamber, and we are entering into the principal chamber. The longitude and latitude information of the principal chamber. So now I am entering into the principal chamber. Sir. So good afternoon, sir. So here we are with our principal, Mr. Krishna Papi. Something about the institution.
To Government Polytechnic, Thuruvekere, which started in 2007, and we have 4 courses: mechanical, electronics, computer science, and civil engineering. Totally 650 students. Out of that, 324 is girls, the rest of is boys, and we have all facilities that is related to labs and classrooms, and all as per the ECT norms.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
The principal chamber is as per the dimension of the AICT norms. We have the facility. Now we are moving from the principal chamber to the boardroom. So here the boardroom, it is in the local language. Boardroom. We are entering into the boardroom. Show me the location, sir. Boardroom. And the location, longitude and latitude information of the boardroom. So now I am entering into the boardroom. We have the facility, so it can accommodate around 30 plus staff meeting hall. So these are the seating arrangement here. Even we have the accommodation for the instruction to the boardroom. We also recording capacity for a camera facility is there at the boardroom. Thank you. From the boardroom we are moving towards the other blocks, we are moving to the next room, room number 3. It is a store room. Here we are entering into the stores. So we have the storekeeper and some of the Godrej beers and for the purpose of store. So here we have some stores, and some of the materials are distributed towards the all the departments. Now we have the location information like latitude and longitude information of the stores. So now we will move to the another room. So now we are entering to the office room. So sir, show me that longitude and so now. So we are in the office. Due to the rainy season, the lighting is very dull now. So we are office persons and some of the facility in the office. With respect to the, this is the longitude and latitude information of the office. Okay. Okay, move sir. Thank you. Now we are entering into the HOD science room. So here is the facility, and the staff belongs to the first year faculties of science and mathematics department. They will be stay here, and this is the staff room and HOD of electronics and science. So it is around. Now we are going through the latitude and longitude information of the science HOD chamber. So now we are moving towards the science lab. So this is the chamber, and so at a time 20 students can be accommodated at the science lab. Some of the experiment can be done in the science lab. Facility applied science lab, and for the purpose of tutorial, and student can be can we do the experiment at these places. So I will show the entire view of the laboratory facilities in the okay. So lab further. So even we can view the longitude, latitude. So a small slight changes can be viewed in the longitude and latitude information. This is about the science lab. Okay, we will move to the next lab. Now we will move to the another lab of civil department. So in the ground floor we have the different labs of different departments. So here we have the facility to accommodate the civil students. It is a computer lab for the civil student, the staff seating arrangement, and this is the facility of a computer lab. And even fire safety equipments has been placed. So at this location we can show it longitude and latitude. So here we are entering into girls common room. So here we have the facility. At this instant it is a vacant. I am entering. These are the seating facility, and we have the toilet room in the girls waiting room. It has been closed now. Okay, this is the facility. Now I am entering into the wing of mechanical department. First room is with respect to the classroom 1 of the mechanical department classroom. So here we have the first year classroom. So this is the classroom arrangement. Yes. Now we have the facility. So staff room. Now I am entering into the staff room of mechanical department. Okay. So here we have the facility to accommodate 5+ staffs in the department. Okay. Sir, say something about mechanical department.
Hello, welcome to the mechanical department. We are having 7 members of staff and including one HOD.
Number of labs?
Number of labs, we are having a computer lab, MTQC lab, thermal lab, and then workshop 1, workshop 2, machine shop.
Okay.
So these are the different labs we are having.
Okay, okay, sir. Thank you, sir. So small brief introduction. Okay, thank you. Now we are in the medical officer for the first aid and sick room. We also called as first aid and sick room. And so here we have the facility for the doctors, and some of the information given from the Taluk medical officer we have displayed. This can be helpful for the students. It is in the local language. Some precautionary measures for particular diseases. Those things are displayed. So weekly or twice in a month, the doctor will come and visit our college and check the intended needed students. They will take care of it and give the instruction as well as this is the area. So area which is going to cover in the medical facility. So now I am entering into the HOD of mechanical department. Good afternoon, sir. Welcome, sir.
Welcome, sir.
Sir, say something about mechanical department, sir.
See, we are having full-fledged admission and full strength. That is it. So our intake is 60 and full intake is there, and it is running smoothly according to AICTE norms.
Okay, thank you, sir. So this is the area of the HOD chamber of mechanical department. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Welcome.
So now I am entering into the computer lab of the mechanical department. So these are the seating arrangement and computer facility what they have in the each department. Due to the COVID, they have made it arrangement at 4 places, maintaining the 2-meter distance between the each student. So now I am moving out from the lab. So here we have the facility for girls' toilet in the same wing, and boys' toilet is at different location. Here it is one more classroom for the mechanical students. So here we are entering. It is the classroom of capacity of 60 intake. So board facility and the lighting, other things. Okay, window or the facility for air circulation. So at the both side of the wall we have the facility for the window. It will help to the air circulation. So here is we have one more classroom for the mechanical. So here also we have the 60 intake capacity arrangements, seating arrangement for. Now we are entering into the another lab for the mechanical branch as well as the electronics branch. So here we have the facility like here BEEE lab as well as a training and placement office. Okay. So here some of the equipment for the basic electrical and electronics lab for the mechanical department. So up to 20 students can be accommodated. So parallelly the placement and training activity can be done at this lab, this space. So here it is our location. Okay, latitude and longitude location. Okay. So now moving out from the lab, and so now we have the language lab. Okay, language lab. So here, so we have the few computers, around 10 computers in the lab. Okay, and for the purpose of speakers, headphones. Okay, say something about language lab.
In language lab, we have 10 systems now. We are planning to procure another 10 systems and the required software as soon as possible. We are waiting for the fund from the government.
Okay, thank you. So here the computer lab and tutorial. Sir, here it is a common computer lab. Due to the shortage of computers, we have the space provided in this particular lab. Now we are entering into the MOC lab. Sir, the location. So these are the facilities and lab project materials. Few of the MOC lab experiment materials are set up as been showcased in here. Okay, this is regarding the civil branch MOC lab materials. Something. So here is the longitude, latitude information for MOC lab. Okay, we will move to the next lab. So now we are entering into the class of civil branch. Here also we have the facility to accommodate for 60 students. Okay, these are the facility. Long. So one more classroom of civil department. Here is the facility. So it also can accommodate for 60 students. Some information about longitude and latitude. So this is the facility for the boys restroom or boys toilet. And we have the another lab of survey lab. It is in the local language and preferably so survey stores for civil lab. This is the space and equipments and some of the lab storage facility. Okay, thank you, sir. Some information. So this is the information, and we will move towards the environmental lab of civil engineering wing. So here it has the for the purpose of tutorial as well as the testing the different equipments of the environment related soil testing and other environmental related issue experiment can be done in the civil branch. Some of the major equipments are shown there, and there are some displays like showing each equipment name. Those things has been displayed at various places of the laboratory. And regarding the latitude information, so this is regarding the latitude information. So now I am entering to the civil HOD of civil room. Good evening, sir. So this is HOD chamber of civil department, and we have the facilities like this. Okay, sir, how much is the intake, sir?
63.
60 plus 3. Okay, thank you, sir. So now we are entering into the staff room of the civil. So here is the seating facility. Civil department staff room facility. Okay, and with respect to latitude information. So now we are entering into the security room. So here we have the security room provision, and so okay, right. Now this is the last room of the ground floor. So we are entering into the soil and empty QC lab. So it is there are so many equipments and for the purpose of soil test, and these are the facility, and they have mentioned some of the boards explaining with respect to the components. Now we have information longitude. It covers entire one ground floor details. Now again we are entering to the principal chamber. So this completes the ground floor information, and we have some of the facilities like a CCTV, so that it can aware, and also we have the facility for fire safety precautions, and these are the. So here I am at the location of principal chamber. So we can see two corridors from one side and another one side. Okay, two corridors. We have provided the drinking water facility, purification, and now I am entering into the first floor of our building. So first floor, first classroom for CS department. So we have the facility for the room capacity of 60 students at a time. Now I am showing the information, and now again we will move towards the another classroom of CS department. Classroom. That is the first classroom, the second classroom, and we are entering. So it also accommodates the 60 students. ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಮೇಡಮ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಟಾಯ್ಲೆಟ್ ರೂಮ್. ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ computer lab for CS department. So these are the computers lab provided in this lab. Okay. UPS facility and other information. Okay. Now I am entering to the department. Now we are at the chamber of computer science department, HOD. So these are the facility. Okay. So total strength, madam? First year strength.
35.
Intake capacity is?
63.
This is the information regarding the computer science department. HOD is speaking now. HOD computer science department location. Now I am entering to the Department of Computer Science. It is a staff room. Okay. Staff room of Computer Science Department. So these are the facility, and it can accommodate 5 to 6 staffs can be accommodated. Okay. So the location of the staff room. So here we are moving to the tutorial room of Computer Science Department, and these are the facility. Similar to the classroom, we have the facility for the tutorial also. So this is the longitude information. We also have the facility for the room for housekeeping. Okay. Now I am entering to the computer science department, another lab called as a networking lab. So here all the computers are connected each other through the network, and we have the facility, backup facility, and here is the professor lecturer Girish sir. It is the facility for a computer lab, networking lab. The information regarding the networking lab, longitude, latitude. And now I am entering to the stationary storeroom, as well as it is also called as a CC Tech room in local. So we have the facility for stationary room. He is the CC Tech manager, Mr. Sridhar Murthy. The information of the CC Tech room, longitude, latitude. Stationary room, longitude, latitude. Now I am entering to the drawing hall. This drawing hall is combinedly utilized by the department of civil department as well as the mechanical department. Here is the facility. At a time it can accommodate around 40 plus students can be accommodated at a time. These are the facility, drawing boards, and so drawing boards and seating chairs for the students. This is the drawing room for the both civil as well as the mechanical department. This is the information of the drawing room. So now I am entering to the library and reading room. So it is partitioned like this. So here is the library. Some of the books are showcased in the bureau, and we have the facility for the student to discuss and read and library person. Okay, this is required with respect to the library and reading room. And so now I am entering to the computer lab of E&C department. So here at a time 20 plus student can be accommodated for the tutorial, and few of the computers, even we have the shortage of computers. These are the facility, longitude, latitude information. So now I am entering to the seminar hall, room number 115. We have the facility. So here we have the projectors, speakers, mic, and everything is there. I am moving towards the presentation. Okay. So welcome to Government Polytechnic, Turvekere. We have the speaker facility and some of the setup box and computer facility, speaker, mic, and other facilities like seating capacity. It can accommodate 60 plus students. Due to the COVID, we have make an arrangement so that maintain the distance. So here the satellite interactive or satellite EduSat program can be displayed through the with the help of setup box. This is with respect to the location of the EduSat. So now I am entering to the digital lab of E&C department. So few of the instructions for the students. and also few equipments regarding the lab, digital lab, and we have, and 20 students can be do the experiment. Some of the facilities over here. The location of the digital electronics lab. So classroom for ENC department. So as similar to the other classroom, we have the facility of 60 student accommodated capacity. So now I am entering to the staff room of ENC department. Here we have the staff room. This is the staff room. It can accommodate around 6 to 7 staff at a time. ENC department. So now it is an exam control room. So we have the facility, the examination, and you can store the location details of exam control room and ENC staff room near.
This is the ENC classroom.
Facility for the ENC notice board and ENC HOD room. I am entering now. Entering to the ENC HOD room. So few books or reference book for the staffs, and now I am in the ENC HOD chamber. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Now I am entering into the ENC lab of analog electronics lab. Some of the displayed for information for the student. These are the equipments, power, resistance, capacitors, CROs. There are so many. So here also we have the facility to accommodate for 20 students at a time per batch. Okay. Girls toilet room. Okay. This is the thing. Facility for girls toilet. One more classroom for the ENC department. Around 60 student capacity. It can accommodate at a time facility. So now I am entering to the ENC lab, advanced electronics lab. So like to repair and service the electronics equipments, digital trainer kits, or some other major electrical and electronics equipments, communication equipment can be serviced for the pre-final year and final year lab. For the tutorial purpose, we have the board and desk for accommodate around 20 students at a time. Now, so the location detail, advanced electronics lab of ENC department. Now I am entering to the top of the building. So here we have the space for installation of the solar panels. Syntax and facility for the, we have the space to install the solar panels in future if the government permits and if there is a provision for funding for installation of the solar panel, we have the space. Here also we have the space of on the top of the workshop building for the installation of solar. So there are two buildings, one is main building, another one is workshop. Few faculties are there, space for solar panel installation. So here we have the wide area coverage of our building, and also we have the future developments of, there is one upcoming building is there, it is still not yet handed over. It is for the boys hostel, it is yet to handed over. And one more facility, we have the another building coming up, it is for the girls hostel. And also we have the another building, I will go near to there. Now we are at the top of the building and the location of latitude and longitude. With respect to our college, there is one more building is getting ready. It is auditorium. It is have the capacity more than 1,000 seats at a time, 1,000 plus seat. So it is yet to finish up, and maybe the next academic year we may get this facility for our students, auditorium. So space for installation. So, sir, show me that the longitude and latitude. Okay. Okay, with respect to the top of the building. Now I am going out from the main building. Now I am going to the next building called as workshop building. Now I am moving from the main building to the workshop. So this is the workshop. I am going now near to that one. Now I am entering to the wing of workshop. So I will explain in detail about the workshop building. And now I am entering into the workshop 1 and 2. According to the ACT norms, we are providing the basic workshop. Here some the operation like explain what is fitting, sheet metal, foundry facility, and some of the equipments for the foundry and sheet metal, and they have the facility for the welding purpose and this. So, and also they have the facility for basic workshop and workshop 2. The carpentry facility, fitting and sheet metal, foundry, these are the facilities in this one. So now I will go through the information of latitude and longitude of workshop 1 or basic workshop. Now next to that one is we are moving to the another lab of mechanical department. So it is hydraulics lab, and also we have the named the thermal lab due to the wide enough to accommodate all the facility here. So we have a very long thermal lab and MTQC lab, hydraulics lab. So few are the major equipments with respect to the as per the syllabus. They have the facility of all equipments. So in the same workshop building, it has been segregated to 3-4 labs, and with respect to the information. Okay. Now I am entering to the machine shop lab. So here few of the lathes are present, and drilling, milling machine, and some of the mechanical major equipments like drilling, milling, cutting tools. So these are the facilities are there. Okay. Finally, so with respect to the longitude and latitude. Okay. Now I am entering to. We also have the facility of pantry for the staff, and few arrangement has been done. Faculties. Okay. It is the pantry for the staff. So, location of the pantry. So we have the playground facility here, and also some of the plants and playground, and for the purpose of survey lab. Some of the other facilities like CC Tech and employment related activities, CC Tech and Red Cross, NSS. This is our college building. Neighbor to that one, we have the another upcoming facility of auditorium. And location detail of auditorium.